Hi boys and girls, my name is Teacher Lisa and I'm here to do a home activity with you for counting. So the activity we are going to do today is something that you can familiarize your children with numbers and what they represent. Number recognition, able to see if they can count correctly, one-on-one correspondent, and subsidizing, automatically recognizing numbers without having to count them. That's what that means. So let me start off with telling you what materials you will need today. All of these materials you can get at the Dollar Tree or at the 99-cent store. So we try to make it easy and accessible for you guys. So the first thing that you will need is a marker, some cupcake papers. I got this one at Walmart, but they do sell them at the Dollar Tree 99-cent store. But this whole pack of 96 was 97 cents. So you would need these papers. Also, you would need some pom-poms. If you don't know what pom-poms are, they're those squishy little balls. Dollar Tree 99-cent store. They sell them in the big packs. So a variety of sizes will work. If not, you can just use ones that are all the same size. Okay. Oh, and some tongs. So these ones, Dollar Tree 99-cent store, they have some. So these are the ones that I have. So these are small. These are smaller children size. So these will work for them. Easy for them to grip. So what you first will start off by doing is separating your cupcake papers. I put two. You can also buy the one that has the foil on the bottom. Instead, they're more sturdy. But because these ones are a little bit more flimsy, I use two. So I separated them. So depending on where your child is at, will depend on how many you would like to start off with. One through 5, 1 through 8, 1 through 10. You can work your way up and just start 1 through 5 just to see where they're at. But today what I did was I did 1 through 6. So what you do is, like I said, I got two papers and I put them together and I wrote the number 1. So I did that all the way up until I got to 6. So 5 and then 6. So what you can do is this. So let me put it like this. So then either you can put them in a bowl or you can put them just on the table like this so they can kind of see what is there. And the purpose of this activity is for them to match the number. So the subsidizing, that's what I was speaking about earlier, is when they automatically recognize the number without having to count it. So if I put in 4, they're just like 1, 2, 3, 4. I guess the big ones don't work, so the smaller ones might be better. So automatically recognizing that that is a 4, and you don't have to tell them that that is a 4, and they automatically just put 4 in. So that is subsidizing. That's something that they're going to learn out of this activity, along with the one-on-one correspondence. So as easy as you may think it is for them to use tongs, we do use them here in the classroom. Most kids do know how to use them if they've come to our classroom before and they've come to school, but there are also children who are not yet have been exposed to them. It's not as easy for them to get that grip and learn how to get something and squeeze it and carry it and put it in. Sometimes they need a little practice, but that is our one-on-one correspondent, and that is also good with this activity. Also, if they can count correctly, that's what you're going to get out of it. So if it says 2 and they put 3, then you're going to sit there and be like, okay, let's count them together. That looks like a number 2, but I count 1, 2, 3. So do you have too many? So how many do you think we should take out? So that's the able to count correctly. So, and the one-on-one correspondent, them being able to pick it up, put it in, pick it up, put it in. So number recognition as well, knowing that this is a number 1, knowing that this is a number 3, knowing that this is a number 5. This is also what they'll get out of this activity. It's just an easy, fun activity that they can do over and over again. It doesn't necessarily have to be with pom-poms. I know that they sell other items at the Dollar Tree 99-cent store. They sell like little colored blocks, little colored objects that they can use as well as these. What works, these tongs best is because they have grippers, so which is easier. The metal, if they were just metal, sometimes it's harder for them, or it doesn't stay as well, especially if you're going to use a different object other than pom-poms. I chose pom-poms because also you can use these as sorting, counting, sizes, large, medium, small. There's different activities that you can also do with these pom-poms, so they're all reusable. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this activity for today, and I hope you enjoyed learning. Thank you.